This demo will show you how to quickly and easily set up a store locator using ZenLocator. To do this, you'll need to import your locations, add your products, add a new marker, and embed your map on your site. The final product on your site will look something like this. First, let's import your locations. From the home page, navigate to the box labeled Locations and then click Add Locations. Here, you'll be prompted to import your data. The easiest way to do this is with a CSV file, which you can create using ZenLocator's template. Here's a look at this convenient template with pre-made sections that you can easily fill in. Once you have your data ready to go, click Upload File. Click Next on the following screens unless you need to make any changes, and then select Import. Once the import has been completed, refresh the page to see your locations. Note that ZenLocator will automatically geocode all your locations. Next, let's go over how to add your products. The fastest way to do this is to import your products using the same CSV file for uploading locations. Just include your products under the product column as shown here. To see your products for each location, just click the location and check the tags under Products. Once your products are imported, you can then update your product images by navigating to your product list, clicking each product, selecting Photos, and using the Click or Drop Here button. Third, let's add a marker that you can use to differentiate your locations. In the Data menu, navigate to Markers. Click New and name your marker. ZenLocator will generate a color for this new marker, but you can easily change it with a hex code or the color picker. If you'd like to change your marker style entirely, you can also upload your own images. To change the marker of your location, just click your location and choose your new marker from the drop-down menu. Now, let's embed your map on your site. For this example, we're going to use Squarespace. On the ZenLocator homepage, you'll see a button labeled Embed Map. Click this, and then click Copy Code. Once you've got this code copied, head over to your store and locate the code option on the page where you'd like your locator to appear. Paste the code you saved from ZenLocator in this space. You should then see your map appear on your page. Now, click Done and then Save. Congratulations, your store locator is now live on your site. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@zenlocator.com.